Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss, can a small business get customer with just a website without any paid ads? Yes, my dear friend, it is possible. But for that, the business need to spend time, consistency and efforts for building strategies like SEO, search engine optimization, local SEO, blogging, content marketing and social media marketing, because these methods are the responsible for your website to appear in front of those users who are actively searching for product and service that you are selling, and it will automatically build a long-term customer acquisition path for your business. You need to focus on SEO, search engine optimization. It would be responsible for your website to appear in top of the Google search engine result page, from where your website will attract free traffic. You can target those keywords which are relevant to your business niche, and you can make your website appear in top of the Google search engine result page among those users who are actively searching for the product which you are selling right now. Like, you can make your website rank for keywords like best cake shop in Jaipur, birthday cakes in Jaipur, and for this you need to do keyword research. You need to understand which are the keywords that your audience is actively searching for on Google. You need to optimize your web pages meta title, meta description with those keywords which people are searching for. Apart from that, there are several factors of SEO that you need to work upon, like internal linking and mobile friendly design, etc. You can start writing informative blog articles instead of writing articles on products and services that you are selling right now. I suggest you to write article on commonly asked questions by your customer over the internet. Like, if you are running a fitness club, then you can write article on strength versus cardio training, how to choose the right treadmill, best gym equipments for home for beginners. When people search for these topics on Google and discover your website and lands on your website, then eventually a trust gets built up and they purchase products or services from your website. Create helpful content on social media. Social media is a powerful tool to get free traffic on your website. You can start creating product demonstration video, educational videos, customer testimonial videos, before and after results videos, and also some short videos. People will start engaging with your content, and this will build a higher chance for them to visit on your website and purchase product and services from your website. Because here our main goal is not just to create content to promote the product and services that we are selling right now. We will create content to educate the audience. We will create content to build a trust between them. Now, coming to the next strategy, that is local search engine optimization. You should optimize your Google My Business listing for local searches. There are several users who search for local business related keywords like dentist in Bikana, restaurants near me, SSC coaching institute. So your business should rank for those keywords in the Google search engine result page, and for that you can create and optimize your Google My Business listing, and you can keep the NAP details consistent. You can also add website link over there so people can visit on your website. This can be also a free traffic source. You can also encourage your customers to write a satisfied review on your Google My Business listing. The next thing is most of the people forget, which is to build trust through website among users. You can add customer testimonials on your website. You can answer FAQ. You can add high quality business images on your website. You can keep clear pricing and clear product description on your website. You can use HTTPS so that your customer data can be secured. A professional website builds credibility among your customers and make higher chances of converting your visitors to the customers. The last and foremost important thing is to be consistent. Most of the small business owners don't be consistent while updating content on their website. You should not do that. You should be consistent. Look, SEO and content marketing both takes time to show result. You should not expect higher results in initial few weeks. You should wait for some time period till your website visibility grows. Consistency is far more important than publishing all large amount of content in a single time. Now, what are the benefits of growing your website without any paid ads? No advertising cost for each and every visitor. No dependency on advertising platform. It builds trust among users. When your website rank on top of the Google search engine result page, it delivers long-term results. Organic traffic can continue even after your content is published. While organic traffic takes time, but it provides sustainable results. Now, concluding this video, a small business can get customers from their website without using any paid ads if they work consistently on local SEO, social media marketing, blogging, and content marketing. If you like this video, hit like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. And if you want to learn digital marketing, then you can download Digital Bikana app. Link in the video description. Thank you.